Welcome back, my students. I'm Ellie at English Fun Zone, and today I'm going to help you tell time using a digital clock. Most of us, if not all of us, have some sort of telephone with a clock on it. This is a very basic way to tell time. You can use half past, a quarter till, and a quarter past when telling time. But in today's lesson, we're just going to focus on the numbers, looking at your clock quickly and reading what you see. So let's get started. First, let's say the numbers 1 through 59, because these are the numbers you will need to tell time. 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. The only time you're going to say o'clock is at the start of the hour. So 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. When you see 00, that's the only time you will say o'clock. O'clock, o'clock. 10:36, 10:36. 10:03, 10:03. 12:45, 12:45. 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 10:33, 10:33. 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 10:10, 10:10. 12:35. 12:35. 12:35. 12:35. 12:35. 12:38. 12:38. 1:31. 1:31. 8:30. 8:30. Yes, you can say half past. 8:30. 8:30. 10:09. 10:09. Now keep in mind, you can say just past 10. 10:09. 10:09. 2:14. 2:14. 12:40. 12:40. 11:37. 11:37. 8:54. 8:54. 5:08. 5:08. 5:08. 5:08. 7:30. 7:30. 11:52. 11:52. 10:30. 10:30. And now you'll be able to tell time quickly. Okay, my students, that's it for this video. I hope you'll come back next week because, that's right, I'll have another one for you. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, please keep practicing. Bye.